Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Once again, how are you guys? Uh, yeah. So, hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being a part of live session today once again. So today is Monday, 22nd of February, 2026. So, what just happened in crypto market? Market just kind of collapsed, but what was the reason? There are like two major reasons. Uh, the Fed chairman has just announced uh, uh, by the Trump, but not majorly. It's not implemented yet, which reacts the market. The gold and the silver market just started falling like crazy, and things were just okay, so things were pretty bad. So of course, there was a effect of the market, and everybody has to face that thing. Like every commodity, like every kind of currency, like even stock market just faced that uh, dip in the day, which is not a good sign for the market, of course. But I must say it's the buy the dip option right once again, and I think for buying the spot time is near. That's what I think, and I hope you guys understand what I mean. Yes, we can. We will have to. We should have to. Sorry, just let me show you guys my screen on the other end. On the other screen, let me just set up. Mm, okay, all right. So let's go to my screen, and things were pretty bad. Yeah, things were not nice for the weekend. Weekend was like not the weekend, but the blood falls, the blood bath started falling from Friday. So yeah, we can understand this was about to happen because the gold was just running on the higher side, and just one. Uh, and it was just in need of one big wig down, and so of course the whales were just selling out their all of their gold and commodities, which affected the market. Just one big order block fell, and the gold started falling like raining. Okay, so yeah, things were pretty bad over the weekend, and BTC also fall down to $84,000. So which is sorry, $74,000. So which is not a good sign for the BTC as well. But yes, we can see now BTC is 77,400. Just trying to grab the moment, just trying to uh, recover from that shock, which was like if you see that's a one-day candle, and BTC went down to $74,000, 74,600, somewhere around there. So which is not a good thing actually. It just happened today because of the big fall. Let's talk about gold first. So let's talk about silver. Silver just dropped almost 30% of its value, which is a very great dip. You see, that was on 29th of January, that was 30th January, 31st was quite 32nd, 1st February was, of course, because the markets are closed. So Friday was very very bloody day. So we must call that. And still today, when the market was about to open, we were having like because there was a seller's pressure, the people just started selling their um, silver, gold, and everything. So, but now you see when the day was open from here, yeah, here you see it just started falling. It just gained a little bit of momentum, but then people, of course, there were a lot of people. They were just having hope for that price to come back, so they will just buy that again. Even my two of my friends, Even two of my friends then yeah, even two of my friends just bought silver today. So when did I get anything? Okay. So yes, things were pretty bad for the silver and gold, of course. Now you see the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, let the market settle down to some maybe the momentum will maybe the gold and the silver will grab the momentum again on the bullish side. But that totally depends because the war with Iran is just about to happen with America. So, but they're now have just got to know like they can be mutually agreed on some terms and conditions. So, which may leads the market to go bullish for sure. That can be a good option. But for now, I must say it's not the picture is not clear yet. Of course, the gold and the silver were all in the all-time highs, which was not a good thing, of course, for taking the long position. Even if you wanted to buy at that price, that's what I suggested to you guys. Don't buy at least right now. So yeah, things were pretty bad. The weekend was rough, and of course, but what we will do like what's our strategy is. So um today I want to take the long position. I will try to catch the momentum and will risk to take a chance on opening the long position on Dogecoin. Even I have bought like a few of my Dogecoins on spot buying. So yeah, I considered that an opportunity. So I bought with like $1,500 amount of $1,500 on spot at the price of 10 cents. So what's the price right now? It's just hovering around to that price. So maybe that's for the for the long term investment maybe. So yes, um, these coins are right on the right price to buy right now. But BTC is struggling to fall down again. Hello, thank you so much for your likes and your love. Um, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So that's what I was just talking about. So it's I must say I just bought like with the $1,500 of on Dogecoin. Sol was on the right price, but Sol is just like if we see the movement of Doge as well. So it's just moving the same way. But both of the projects are in the top 10 projects. So if we see, sorry, not here. Why I have open two exchanges? Okay. Um, let's talk about top coins. Let's talk about 24 hours volume. Okay. Sol went to 98 dollars, which was a great opportunity for the long position, but I just missed that. I was not using my system. So Ethereum, Ethereum is 2200. You see, what a great dip. 4% today again. Yeah, it's a good dip. XRP 1.60, very good price. But the people are just a little bit worried for the market. Then that's where the market will go. But that totally depends. After it's 6 p.m. 7, 8, 9, 3.5 hours from now, when when the US market will open, then I think if you guys want to buy anything in on spot, or you want to trade futures, just be very, very, very careful right now. The market is like moving very crazily, so you guys need to be very, very careful while taking any kind of position. So yeah, silver is at $81, which is very good price. My friend just bought like at 80 $80 somewhere around there. So yeah, it's a good opportunity. Uh, okay. So yeah, and it's a good thing they're listed on this exchange as well, silver and gold. So they're selling their ETFs. So it's a good opportunity. And you see Dogecoin, Aster. No, sorry. Let's talk about top coins. Okay. So these are the top coins, top trading pairs, which are being in the trade right now. Aster, we had a good op for this one. You see, we I know it. This is a good time for these kind of coins to invest. You can keep them in for the long period of time. Just buy it for $10 and just keep it on spot. Maybe someday you will get some good amount on these kind of coins. Um, it's a good time for spot buying, I think. But after 3.5 hours from now, you need to just wait at least. So maybe it will get maybe the BTC will fall down. BTC is just struggling to fight with the current position. Sorry. Okay. So yes, this is it. And this video, this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. You can do your own research while taking any kind of position. If you want to buy, you want to sell, just consider and take a look on the market first. Then yes, if you want to take a chance, then go ahead. But be very careful. Market is very volatile today. Like maybe it will take a little bit more time to cool down a little bit. So yes, maybe gold can fall down a little bit more. If we see the momentum is bearish, not bearish, but the kind of fall is very crazy. So gold fall almost let me tell you, almost $1,000. Yeah, that's 1 hour time frame. So that's for the gold. Gold went to $4,400, 4,400, $50, somewhere around there, from 5,600. So you see, uh, that was a great tip, I must say. That was the high 56,200, 5602, 5603. So 56 somewhere around there. And today it fall down to 4444 tetra 4. So the price, you guys understand, like almost more than like $1,200. So more than $1,200. So that's a great dip, like in 4 days. And now it's still on not that price, the price where should we get into it, but still, mm, I must say, it will take a little bit more time to go to that price. That's what I understand, because there is a seller's pressure on the market and the buyers are supporting the market as well. The people are, of course, the greed and fear index is 12, which is very, very uh, good for the market. Thank you so much for your flowers. Thank you so much. It's a great honor for me. Thank you so much for gifts. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. 36 roses. Wow. And you're sending more. Thank you so much, Cows, Holy Ghost, I think. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and your um. Okay, so that's the gold price. And what? Let's talk about silver. Silver is also at the good price. Uh, but you see, there's a buyer's pressure from the downside. If you see these candles, these wicks are the clear indication now the buyers are also in the market. You see, that's a 1 hour candle frame. So yeah, you can understand that the buyers are still in. They can move the market up. Of course, people were just waiting for the right time to get the position, and some of them just took it. So silver just fall down today to $72, which was very good price. But yeah, but these kind of commodities, these are like I have heard like Robert Kiyosaki, he was saying it's the God's money. So God's money means these metals were here before our extent existence. So yeah, of course, and we are using that these kind of coins and commodities as a financial support. So yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, you can buy them physically. Yeah, but exchanges are just selling their ETFs. So yeah, buying them physically can be also a good option, but very risky. So that's all from for today's updates, and BTC market is like very like extreme fear. Yeah, extreme fear. What was the fear? Let me check about the fear. What's the fear today? It was, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a great honor, sir. Thank you. I must say, so fear and greed index is 28. Why? Okay, yeah, just gaining the momentum. Okay. No, 15. Okay, so 15 is the fear index. Yeah, it went to, let me show you. Yeah, fear index is 15. Okay, so very fear in the market. So, uh, I have like got to know from the top people of the financial markets. If you see the Warren, if you heard about the Warren Buffett, and if you see the Robert Kiyosaki, they are kind of like people having very big portfolios, very rich people of the world. They, if you follow their strategies, of course we cannot do that 100%. um, the Warren Buffett says when he is all in cash right now. He was just seeing the market. He was having a look on the market. His company was looking at the market right now. He was all in the cash. He sold all of his like um, cryptos, all of his stocks, most of his stocks, but a few of them he's just getting the dividends of that. So dividends are also like in millions and big companies. So he's all in cash right now. He, because the market was moving so up, and I must say he must still be waiting for the right time for buying when the market is in the bleed. So you should have some backup to buy the dip kind of option. So as soon as you buy anything and it clicked, your $100 can be like $100,000, and it happens in the market as well. So yeah, it's a part of it if you get lucky. But what we need is we need to have some patience. We have to have some set some goals, some targets. Okay, that's what I need. That much amount I just want from the market. So yeah, it's totally achievable. And for Dogecoin, for example, right now, what I think, uh, because we're doing short-term scalpings, so I have made like few dollars today and yesterday on Dogecoin. Let me tell you, transaction history is here. Okay, so just $17 in negative trade today, one trade, and you see $72 I have made today in one trade, 56, $58 in one trade, $44 in one trade, $36 in one trade on first. So yeah, $180. That was a good trade I just took. And I took at the price of 101 and I sold at 105. So that was a good jump in 70% of my uh, margin. So I just gained that. Welcome salam, brother. How are you doing? I'm good, thank you. So market is just like a very in, and I must say, be careful. That's what I always say. So because the market movement is like very great. Good to know, brother. So still we are making money. Yes, this $17 I just closed like few minutes back from now. I just opened the long position from here, then it just fall down. I closed it, and it just going back up. I just want this trade. What I will need to do is maybe we will not take any trade today because you know the volatility is very scary today. and the market can move anywhere. So things are pretty abnormal right now. Yes, in the morning, I took like two positions today. I have made small amount, but right now, thank you for following. Thank you so much for following. Zach, brother, yes, crypto will recover. Crypto is, of course, there's a, uh, I must say, if you see what just happened in like 3 4 days back, it's just because of the gold just started falling, and that was about to happen, and we knew it. Like the gold was going crazy, which was a very scary sign. The fall can be very like, and it took like trillions of dollars from the market. So yeah, that's the thing. The people are just manipulating the market. The whales are manipulating the market. They know they control the market, and we are just the victims, I must say, if we just get into that. But what we need to do is we can be very safe on the other end. If you guys want to do futures, do you think? Yes, for sure. Alts are on the grounds. I just bought a Dogecoin at the price of 10 cents on spot mine today. Sorry, yesterday. So of $1,500. So I just bought and I just kept it. Maybe someday they will go up, so maybe I would be able to make some money. So yeah, so that's what I did. So yeah, I must say thank you so much for following, brother. So I must say thank you so much for following. So I must say today was like 2 3 hours back from here, from today, from now. It was a good time. Still, it's a good time, of course. You see, let's talk about 1 day candle frame. Let's talk about 1 hour candle frame. You see, that's a 1 hour candle frame. Still, good hope for the coins. Maybe if the BTC will, maybe the BTC will, if stays above like $75,000. So yeah, we have a good hope. But if it will start falling down from there, if the gold start falling down from the current price, maybe. But that totally depends. Like after 3 hours from now, almost 3 hours from now, so when the US market will open, of course, when it opens every day, uh, the market moves up and down very quickly. So that will decide like how uh, the gold and the BTC will react. But you see, but more chances are for the BTC to go down. That's what I think. That's my opinion is, but you can do your own research as well. So that's the Dogecoin. It's moving the BTC price right now. So if let me show you BTC. So BTC is that's BTC, and yeah, I understand. Your position is stuck from very on the, but you have that's a good thing you bought in on spot. So I must say you need to be very like you need to of course wait, of course, because you are already on I must say now on 80 90% negative on your portfolio. So Solana Solcoin is Solcoin was it's still on the good price for spot buying. That's what I understand. Let's talk about the graphs. So here's a Sol. That's 1 hour candle. Sorry, 1 day candle frame. Let's do that on. Oh, I just opened the spot. Okay. Uh, if you see, where is 1 hour? Here's 1 hour. That's the 1 hour candle frame. Good retracement from here because the BTC is moving up. So BTC is just driving the market. We need to do crypto is a scam. Yeah, yeah, I understand. Like, of course, people are losing money, and I lost a lot previously, like 2 years back. But yes, brother, you will receive it today. You will receive your coupons today. I just got the confirmation from that exchange. They just replied me they will do that by the end of day today. So I just asked them to we should communicate with our followers before that. So they were just doing apologize on that, but they will do that by the date of today, by the end of day today, I hope. Oh, 40K pound, that's a big amount. That's- if it's still not loss if you are just selling it just now, I suggest you to hold now, I must say. So because you are in spot buying, so yeah, still you're safe until unless it's not getting delisted from the exchanges. So yeah, thank you so much for following as well. So yeah, you were asking about Sol. Sol is at the good price for spot buying. That's what I understand. And I just bought Dogecoin on spot buying today at the price of 10 cents, 0.1. Sorry, not 10. One more. Let me show you on my other screen. I just bought that on Binance. Mm, yeah, average price was 0.1117. So yeah, with the amount of this is these are the Doge coins which I just bought yesterday. So, but it's on spot. So I must say it's a good time. Yes, we can make double triple from that amount on futures, but trading futures in this market can be very risky right now. And no, I have not opened any position yet, actually, Bob Singh brother. I just bought on spot today. Oh, sorry, not today, day before today. So yesterday. So I just bought on spot and still like negative $100 with the $1,500. That's my strategy. Yeah, yeah. So because I was thinking that's a good time to take a chance. What's the chances of break even for this? It's- So what was your coin actually? Can you tell me, Zach, brother? What was your coin? I just forgot that. We were having discussion on Friday, I think. Hello, brother. How are you doing? I hope you're good. So can you Solana, uh, bearish season, yes. Solana, yes, let's talk about Sol for now. Solana is just moving the BTC movement right now. BTC now, if you see the BTC, the movement of BTC, what just happened? The gold was going up, everything was going up, the commodities were going up, silver was going up, and moreover, like stock market was going up, but BTC was just started falling down. But the market cap, if we understand the market cap is just 2 trillion right now. No, not, let me tell you how much is that. Yeah. So what just happened? I'm just going to open. Yeah, 2.61 trillion. Like, which is like very lower side of the crypto market, I must say. Uh, as soon as worlds just started moving their money from the gold and the commodities and the stocks, surely the BTC will blow up. Of course, it will happen. And for the season for right now, yeah, it seems like it's a bearish. It doesn't seem like it is bearish for that specific period of time. But what just happened? The gold just started falling down for the month. Okay, okay, great. So you just let me know about the coin so we can just have a look. Maybe I think you told me already. Oh, but oh yeah, yeah. You just told me that you are having multiple coins. Yeah, now I remember. So yeah, but you have already bought on the higher prices. I think you need to wait. You should wait. There is no other option for you, I must say. 143 and yeah. Oh, okay. 143. Yeah. Zach brother has just bought like all multiple coins. Like he told me like in the previous session, like he's holding I think more than 10 coins or maybe 30 coins. So different coins. So yeah, of course, but it will recover. You see, the market will move, of course. But there is a correction that should have to be done. Gold is going up, silver is going up, stocks are going up, but BTC is going down. That's not the right way. When the gold was moving up, BTC was moving up in the previous history of, if you see the history of these things, and the commodities and the stock market just falls down. And the stock market, when market goes up, the BTC and the gold started falling down. That was the financial literacy we just got to know from the market. But now this year, the last year was just like we have never seen this kind of thing. Yeah, yeah, that's what I think. Maybe, but for this week movement, uh, that will we can decide like after 3 hours from now when the US market will open. So we will get to know like where will it go. That's what I think, and I hope that would be a good sign for the BTC. And there are like trade wars going on in the world, and America is planning to uh, start war with Iran. Of course, they were just planning to do that, but I have just seen a news that maybe they will settle down on some terms. So, okay, it's a good thing. If they will do that, then that's a bearish sign for sure. And the Fed chairman is just going to change in like few days, maybe. So that was also a bearish trend for the market. So that's what just happened. Yes, of course, of course. That's brother. It always happens. It always happens, and what we have been through in the history of the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies, and the gold. Yeah, but you see the gold. If the gold will fall down today, it closes in red. The candle closes in red. Then that's a good sign for. That's not a good sign for the bull market. Of course, it's not bullish for the crypto as well. Maybe it will start falling down a little bit more. Maybe the BTC can go below somewhere $50,000. So yes, if you remember the day of 10th of October, even I just got lucky, and even I have made like good dollars on I think more than $6, $7, $8,000 in that day. Like two after 2 3 days back. But I just got lucky because I had a very good coin at the time on long position. But I have a very good portfolio. I had a good portfolio, so that saved my ass actually. But yeah, I must say we need to be very careful in this. 10th October just like there was the guy from Russia. He just uh, killed himself so far because he was just managing the multi-million portfolio as well. So yeah, it's a bit scary. It's the manipulation, and we are like, yes, of course, we are retailers, so we are like scared right now. So that always happens. They just manipulate the market. Only the people with the right strategy, if they are not using the bigger portfolio, and they just keep using the minimum margin of their portfolio, they are saved. Of course, it takes some time if you took the long wrong trade and you are stuck at some point. If the market, yes, so do you wish that? I wish that. If it's gonna happen, he should face that thing. Because a lot of billionaires got stuck in this thing. So they're just manipulating the market, of course. We know that. And just one news and everything goes down, and then one news, everything going up. So it's not the right thing for the financial markets. So these things need to be very clear right now. Okay, so what's going on? What's going on? Okay. Okay, what we're trying to do is we will try to open the position. Let's see if we can get a long position from here. But I think today the market is very, very scary. I think we need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. Yes, we can take a chance, of course. It's on the lower side. But I think we need to be very careful. We can take a chance. I just took the chance. I took the long position in this candle, I think. Uh, Here it just started falling down and I just closed it and just it went back up. So I got scared. So that's the sign of being scared in the market. Okay, BTC, let's talk about BTC. If we see BTC is going on the upside, of course. That's a 5 minute candle. But okay, so things seems nice. I hope everything will go great. Uh, Let me just. Am I live on YouTube as well? I hope I am live on YouTube as well. Uh, Sorry guys, just wait. I'm just setting up, I think. Mm, mhm. Okay. Yes, surely they own the market, I must say. They own the market, and it's their manipulation that we are the victim of. They took the money from all of us, but still we are making some good for us as well. As far as we are overall in profit, okay. So we just at least we have just learned something from the market. Mhm. I just want BTC to react from here, then I will take a chance to open the long position. If we see the truth, let's talk about truth. Truth was not having a great dip. Even the BTC was just falling down. It was just very steady. You see the moment that's the one day candle for November. Oh, $1.4 billion. Wow. Yeah, that's the scary thing actually, I must say. 1.4 million. Okay. That's a big money. That's a big money. Uh, Even I'm down $3,000, but my positions are open. Still, I have a good hope. I'm just letting them go. I have a backup, so but just $3,000, that's good enough. I think $4,000. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Thank you so much for following me. Okay, so you see the truth. Truth is just going up, and That's amazing, I think. That's the moment of truth, actually. So we can take a chance in this pair. Let's take a chance to open the long position from here. Should we take a chance? I don't know. That's the one. You see the 1 hour time frame, totally bullish. Maybe if it will fall down. No, doesn't seems. Yes. Okay, we can take a chance. I think we should wait for now. What do you think? Should we take a chance in this one? Or let the BTC move first so we can. It's a bit scary. Um, if we see the movement right now, every movement is very, very scary. I think we should wait at least. Or on the other hand, yes, we can take a chance to open the. Yeah, I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, we are same kind of. That's not our first language, so yeah, we have different accent. Uh, okay. Yeah, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since more than 4 years from now. So yeah, so okay. So things are if we see 15-minute can frame, no, if RSA is not giving us confirmation, we should not take a chance in this one. At least we should wait from here. Okay, on the other hand, let's talk about Dodge. Dodge, where's Dodge? Okay. I really wanted to take a long position, but I just missed that opportunity. Uh, so yes, I'm trading mostly meme coins. My history of trading as meme coins mostly. Um, these are the pairs. Let me show you what I prefer to trade mostly. Like I just mentioned these one in favorites, but if you see sats, Dodge is not, of course. So HBAR, Bonk, ARKM, Zeus, it's just newly listed. HUSDT Truth. These are kind of pairs I'm just trading mostly. So yeah, I have made a lot in these kind of pairs. Um, yeah, we can. Okay. So like, what do you suggest? Like, what kind of coin? Can you name a coin, for example, so we can have a look? Like these coin, even I must say these kind of coins are not having the big volume right now. Oh, sorry. So um, yeah, more, yeah, surely they will go more than 20x, sometimes 100x, maybe 1000x. So, oh wow, that's great. That's great. Even I know one of my, not friend, but the community guy, he just made a lot. Like He's not even $1 million now, but I think $500,000 he have made from he started with like I think $5,000, so he have made a lot. So yes, yes, you are in spot buying. Of course, it will take some time. You are already in very negative so position. So you don't have another option. That's what I think. You should wait for maybe a long period of time. So things are okay, here we go. Mm, zero to You're right. You're right. I think you cannot go live, perform live trades on X, so that's why my kind of traders are on TikTok and YouTube mostly. So, mhm. It's just breaking that support level, that resistance level, but in the next candle we can take a chance. But let's take a look on BTC move first. So BTC. Yes, BTC was just it's moving the same move as BTC. Um, I don't know. So, do you suggest any coin for the mid-range you were just talking about? Okay, okay. Good opportunity. It can be a good opportunity. So, Benji, you are also trading crypto futures or you are in spot hodlers or what are you? Okay. Should we take a chance? Should we take a chance? Okay. Let's have a look on this one. Pump. Okay. On the 15 minute on the 1 day time frame. Okay. That's the 1 day candle frame. The black day in the history of crypto market is here. Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're quite right. I think, but you have if you have the bigger portfolio, you can take the risk on the using on by using like minimum of your margin. So yes, yes, you can make a good fortune. I have made it, so that's why I have a good hope for uh on futures. I prefer to do futures because maybe everybody cannot, of course, cannot do that. But just a way higher transfer. Yes, you're right. You're quite right. I am also not that much new, but still new. It's been more than 3 years from now. So let's add this one in favorites. Good opportunity. We just can have a look for the fun. Let's see the fun coin as well and moving the same way. Okay, just started falling down on day candles. Yeah, just 1 day, maybe it will go up. pump. Okay. Okay. I was thinking you were just talking about the pairs. Okay. Even the words you have brought are the same, like we have the coins listed on that. So okay. Okay, great. I asked you to recommend some coins, so you just write that message. So I was thinking, okay, these are the coins. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, you're right. I just bought Dogecoin on spot yesterday, so at the price of 11 cents. So I think I have a good hope for that one as well. Maybe not go to 78 cent again, but maybe. But I think Solana is, if you see Sol, just, yeah, it's kind of like same movement of the Sol and the Dodge as well. But I just thought, okay, that could be a good opportunity. So what's the reason? Like, what do you think? Like, what could be the reason you're not recommending the Dodge, but you're talking about Sol? Oh yeah, okay, okay. Like once, okay, is it? But you see the movement right now. Even like people started making money and just lost most of their money in like 3 4 days. Uh, stop. I just moved silver, Ethereum. Silver is just gaining a good momentum again, just going back on today's highest price was 88. So yeah, on the way to retrieve their prices. Gold is also 4,700. Okay. And that's the 5 minute candle frame. That's 15-minute candle. Same movement as BTC. So yeah, they are just driving the market. Where is it? Where is it? Five. Let's not look at. Not getting a good opportunity, I think. We can take a risk, but that would not be a. Mm, Zach, brother, nobody can judge. I think nobody can guess. We had a good hope. Like I'm following like few of pro traders. They were just having a good hope. By the last quarter of the last year would be the totally bullish for the alt season, and the alt season is knocking the door, and the people were talking about that, but it's never gonna it did not happen. So maybe I think nobody can judge. Yes, the alt season will come, but when it will come, nobody can guess for that for now in this kind of market. So Get connected. Okay. Short, long time, like not, not even not getting a position today. Right now, see the movement. So, what do you suggest? What do you think? We can have a look. PYTH, PYTH. Okay. It's 1 hour, 1 day on the lowest side of its price, just falling down, just moving the same movement as BTC. So reverse short from here. Okay, we can have a look. Okay, so it's just moving the way BTC is moving. So be very careful on this coin. BTC will drive the movement of this coin. That's what I think. We can have a look on River as well. Alright. River went crazy like a few days back. Yeah, we had one of our viewer just also mentioned me that we should have to take a chance in this pair. But that was just, but in this candle, I think we had discussion like 1 week back, almost on 25th, 27th of January, maybe, or 28th of January. So taking a chance on opening the short position from here could be a good option, but from here, yes, that's now candle frame going up. If it will go up, then what do you think? That's 5 minute candle frame. River. Yes. RSI is oversold in the 5 minute candle frame. Let's talk about 15 minute, also oversold. 1 hour oversold. 1 day is overbought position. So opening short position can be a good opportunity, but that's just taking a chance from here. Should we risk some of the amount? I don't know in this pair. Uh, if we follow the RSI, yes, we can take a chance in this one. But for short-term scalping, not. No, it's a very good idea. That's what I'm just thinking. Having a look on RSI is in favor. Yeah. So we can, I don't know. See, the volatility is very high, so it can be a good option. Okay, so 10x can be, because it's a volatile coin, we can take a chance. But I think $100 are enough for this pair. Taking a chance of opening the short position because it's already on overbought position on the 15 minute candle frame, on 5 minute, even 1 hour. So seems like on overbought. But getting some rejections at this price. Right now, it's a good time, I think. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, should I open the short position here? Um, a bit confused. No, no, no. You do your own research. I don't follow my trade. Maybe it will go wrong. So yes, we can take a chance. Bit confused right now. See, this move can be the shift of momentum from here. If we see 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, the red going 15 minutes, getting rejection. Let's open the short position. Let's see. Okay. I just took a chance with 10x leverage, not the 10x leverage, and with the $100 margin. So I let's see. And put my stop loss. I have to put my stop loss somewhere around on the top of this candle. So that can be not top $50. Okay. My stop loss is $50 in this trade, and TP we can set anywhere. I just took a chance. Maybe we can get some. Okay. So I just took a chance. You can have a look. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if it uh goes below to. I have also opened the short position, but my stop loss is also very tight, but still negative $50. Either I make $100 or I can lose. I will lose $50. Right now seems like okay. I just here's SL. SL is at 22.24. That's my SL. That's my TP. That's my current position. Let me just flag it a little bit. 47 point what? Like, it's 22.244. That's my SL. And my TP is 19.05. Yeah, that seems fair actually. Fair SL, fair price. Either I lose 50 or TP, we can move to our TP, or either I can move my stop loss uh, with my movement, but I hope it will go well. Yes, Fahad brother, we actually I am one of our viewer just have took your brother just took the short position from here. Just don't follow the trade. This is not a financial advice. Do your own research on this one, on any coin. But we took a chance. Maybe it will go wrong. Either I lose $50 or I can make $100. So let's see how much we can make. Doesn't look nice. But on 15 minutes, let's do that on 5-minute candle frame. Okay. But this move was on the bullish side. But still we still took a chance following by these candles. So these candles, let's see. Let's see. I hope we can. Thank you so much for following. Hope things will go right. BTT is here. Day 1 hour. Okay, and the lowest. Oh, okay, okay. Just near to 50% of my stop loss, and seems like it will hit my stop loss. So it hits my stop loss, and I am going to lose $50. So maybe, yes, good chances of losing money in this trade. Okay. Instead of getting stuck in the trade, we should accept the loss. Mm. Okay. Getting a pullback. Yes. Seems like we are just going to lose this trade, but taking a chance can be a. So your brother, did you put your stop loss somewhere around there, or you have just kept it open? Nine. So that's my stop loss is -$50. Right now, -$30. TP is $100. Maybe we can get that. TP is very achievable. I think if it will not hit my stop loss. But no, it seems like it's going to hit my stop loss. Yes. And and it's going to hit. It just stop loss hit. Okay, so we have lost $50 in this trade. Yeah, same. No worries. We will make it. See the momentum, if we cannot judge, that's very volatile coin, I must say right now. Yes, seems like the market is moving up. Opening long can be a good option, but not taking chance for now. Let it fall down a little bit more. So maybe. Okay. After hitting the stop loss, it's just coming back. So that's the resistance point for now. Maybe. Or on the other end, we can see estimated. Let's see if it crosses that resistance line. RSA was in very good favor of opening the short position. It's still in favor of opening the short position if we do not put the stop loss at there at the price, but it's a part of it. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Okay, seems like market is moving up, and BTC is also driving the market up. Yes, that's the move of BTC. It's just going up. That's 15-minute candle frame. Yes, I think not the right time of opening the position, any position. Uh, Dodge is also going up. Yes, seems like we have just missed that opportunity. As soon as a big fall just comes into replace, then we will take a long position. But 2 and 30 minutes from now, the US market will open. So the US market will, before that, we need to close all of our positions if we open any position. So we need to just do a little bit scalping, and let's see if we can make some of. Okay. Walaikum salam, brother. How are you doing? So, Musa, brother. Mhm. Okay. So the market is moving up. Great. So next 2 hours and 30 minutes are very critical. Yes, when the US market will open, then the gold and the silver movement will be finalized because it's just opening after the weekend in US. So they will decide the overall worldwide market move. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Now the silver and gold is moving up. If you see the movement of silver, so it's just moving up. Okay, and I don't know. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for your message, Binish. Okay, so somebody's inviting. Let's talk about gold. See the movement of gold. It's just moving up. That's a 1 hour candle frame. Just uh after hitting the lowest point of today, 5 candle from now, just gaining the momentum. Uh, Brother, what's wrong with that? Can you tell me like what kind of error you're facing in transferring the fund in Binance? Like, can you can just write me in the DM message. I will just help you in that. No problem. You can buy that from P2P as well. You have bank account or EasyPass or something like that. So you have to link your bank with your Binance. You might have done that already. So have you linked your bank account with your Binance? It's very easy. Like, what's wrong? I don't know. So what's the problem? Like, you open the P so so have you already done P2P transaction before, or it's for the first time? Okay. No, no, you already have Binance, I understand, but have you ever done P2P transaction ever, or you have not done any transaction before, or it's for your first time? Okay, so see the gold is moving up. Okay, so you don't actually you forgot now how to add deposit your money. Okay, that's very simple. Let me just show you. Mm, I will tell you. Let me don't just hold. I will show you on the other screen of my. I have another phone, so I'm just going to show you on the other screen. Okay, so that's my other phone. I have an account on Binance. So what you need to do is you need to just have a look. Uh, Click on trade here. There's an option of P2P. So I think no need to worry about. So you are in Pakistan or you are in France right now? So you click on Binance P2P and click on that and okay, so you're in Italy. So if you're in Italy and you have bank account, of course, in Italy, you should have your bank account in Italy. Okay, so I think in Italy you have to check like what's the medium of transfer of the money. For Italy, I don't know what's wrong. How can you transfer your money? You can just have you can just Google it or you can just have check the video or all people can transfer the money in Italy on Binance. Even I'm in Thailand, if I want to transfer money, uh, if I want to do PTP, P2P in Pakistan, I can do that from here. So, but I have my bank account in Pakistan as well, so it's working very well. Okay. So if it's not working now, what kind of error, like what kind of error you are facing? What's wrong? Like what they show you, like wrong address or wrong bank account or what kind of future? Okay, silver is down, BTC is down. Let it go. BTC, yes. See, see the movement, gold, BTC, silver, they are moving the same way. You can just send me a DM. You can just send me a DM after this live session. I will just reply you on that. So no problem. I will try to find out the way. But I think in Italy, if you have linked your bank account, that would be the easiest way to transfer your money. One of my friend was in Italy, but I don't know where he's right now. I can ask him as well. You can send me the DM message on TikTok, so I will reply you on that. No problem at all. So BTC is going up from here 1 hour, but will fall down. I just see. No problem. You're welcome, brother. As if it would be possible for me, then as far as I know, I will try to help you with that. If I would not be able to do that, I will just simply do apologize. But you can just do a Google research search on that, as well as you can just check on YouTube as well. I think I have seen people posting some videos how to link your bank account, or you can transfer money from your bank to your Binance or your any exchange. I think there are some limitations on in Europe so, or in few countries. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Plus 66. Okay. So I am not getting a good opportunity to take the position right now. I just wanted Dogecoin to fall down a little bit, but I just missed earlier. This is the 15-minute candle frame, and this is the 5-minute candle frame. I think we are not getting any position. Okay, let's talk about river. RIVER. Let's have a look. Yes, it's going up. This one is going up. My TP, my SL is hit in this candle, and then it's just going up. We cannot take the risk from here, at least. We should not take a risk. Momentum can be shifted anywhere. Let me just figure it out. Uh, Not cleared. Mm, oh, not cleared. Just went up, falling down, not cleared. Not cleared. Yes, it's clear, it's going on. I will try to I will try to catch the momentum. When the momentum will shift to bearish for that period of time, small period of time, I will try to grab the momentum. I will show you guys how I did that. I will open the short position again, maybe, if things will be in my favor. Let's have a look. Hmm. Brother, I think I have to accept your message first, then you can send me your screenshot. After the live session, you just send me hello, hi, something like that. ABC, you can write me anything. When I will accept your message, then you can send me your screenshot. That's the limitation from TikTok. So just it's I'm live right now. As soon as I accept your message, then you can send me your screenshot. You don't need to wait. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so pullback is good. What we need is my SL was hit here. If I would have opened the long position, I could have make like $100 in this trade, but no problem. We have just missed that. Okay, let's see another pair. Let's see the top 10 one. That's the favorites. Future top XRP. No, XRP. Soul. No. Sui. Let's have a look on Sui coin. Okay. 5 minutes, 15 minute. See the movement of 15 minutes. 1 hour, 1 day. That's the 1 day candle. Okay. 1 hour, 15 minute. I don't know. 5 minute. Let's see the movement. Just one big candle and just can kick you. Okay, I can take a chance of opening the short position from here. Because overall trend is totally bearish. That's 1 hour candle. And everything is going down. This one is going down, going down. That's a 15-minute candle frame still in favor, going down, down, down. We just can pick. Taking short position can be risky, but other than taking chance, we don't have another option. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the short position from. I really want to open the short. Mhm. Okay, I really want to open the short position here. Okay, when this one goes near to 1.2, can be risky. So what was its opening price when it was launched? Yeah, not even on the lower side of its price right now. It went to $5. Hmm. And the lowest was zero point 0.4. No, not the right time to. Yes, we can take a risk opening the short position from here. But we have to close that trade very carefully. Let's open the short position. Use, I think 15x is good enough because we are just going to take a chance opening the short position. Well, I'm not in favor of taking the short positions, but okay, what we're gonna do is we are unable to get any position today, so that's why I just want you guys to see the short position here. Um, Momentum is not in favor of opening the short position, but RSI is still opening, not giving us a good opportunity, but just moving sideways. I don't know. Okay, let's take a chance. So I have just opened the short position. I have just seen the momentum, and I'm going to put my TP somewhere around. That's very small amount. Can it go to there? This price? Okay, let's see if it goes right or wrong. I just took a chance with the $260 margin with 15x leverage. So I just took the position. I open the short position from here. I hope things will go right. Okay. Let's talk about silver. It's also when the US market will open, then we get to know like the market will move where. But that would but uh, have it. I have a good hope the market will fall down a little bit more. That's what I understand because when the market and the Asian market would just got open and the gold and silver just started falling down. Now it's gaining momentum back again on the upside, but the US market is still not open for the Monday. So it's Monday in New York in US and market will open from 2 hours and 15 minutes from now. So we will see the volatility in that specific 30 minutes. First 30 minutes will be like very, very, very funny moments. So we will see the moment. Okay, okay, okay. So guys, just try to be safe if you have the bigger margins. If you have bigger capital, try to open with very small amount of margin and try to take the minimum leverage. 5x, 10x max. Maybe you can take 15x, but not more than that. I don't suggest you guys. 15x is still like I have seen people showing you guys you can take 50x leverage, 100x leverage. Okay, but more risk, more reward, more chances of losing money as well. So try to be safe. If you want to make some money, can we buy now? You want to buy what? Gold, silver, or the coin? Which is the best coin to buy? I just bought Dogecoin on spot buying yesterday at 11 cents with $1,500 of mine. So uh, you can have a look. It's on 10 cents, 1 cent less. So yes, if you want to have a look, but for long term, not for the short period of time. XRP is also at the good price. Uh, you guys, let me suggest you guys, but do your own research first. Uh, Dodge, okay, good for maybe for a few days, maybe for a few months, you will get a good profit. Sol is also good option, but on Sol, it's near to $103 now. It went to $98 today. Just have a look on that one. Bonk is also a good option, but just leave it Bonk. And Truth is also good pair, but Truth is just moving up, so you don't need to take risk now. So I think XRP, let's talk about XRP. XRP also is a good option, but you see uh, the movement of 1 hour for the 1 year, yes, it gained a good momentum. Now that's the 1 day candle frame. It's near to lowest price. So yes, सो यूं मैं टेप भूल गया निकाल के रख के टेबल पे रख के आ गया ये मुझे भी कौन सा रही पड़ी 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 चलो देखें so yes, that's what I'm talking about. See, that's the 1 hour candle frame. Uh, if you buy it on spot, uh, yes, I am in 3,000 negative, but I just moved my I just removed all of my stop losses. Uh, I think now, yes, I am the amount I have gained last month. I'm all negative right now, but in negative, not closed any position. So still opening my positions. Because waiting for the BTC to go up because I have a very big cap backup, so things are pretty good. Buying silver from current price, um, the US market is going to open like 1-2 hours from now. So be safe. You see, that's 1 day movement of gold. This is 1 day candle. It's just going back up after coming to 44 somewhere around there, 44.30, 44.40. So be very careful while opening the position. If you want to buy silver, gold, be very careful. Just have a look on volatility first. Let's talk about silver. Ethereum is also very good price. But I think this is not the right time exactly. You should wait. If let the BTC fall down a little bit more. Uh, but after today opening today's market, the market movement will decide. If the BTC and the gold and the silver is going down, then you should wait. Right now, Ethereum is 2,300. Very good price. It went to 3,300. No, it went to 4 something. Yeah, highest was 49. You're right. You're right. Next is you're quite right. That's why what I did is I just bought Dogecoin with $1,500 and I will buy that again. I will try to buy Sol or XRP, but not today. Maybe next week, maybe or let the market cool down at least. Or if the BTC moves sidewise or gain a little bit pull back, then I will try to add more. But I think this is not the right time. Yes, you can buy a little bit on spot, but not on futures. Don't take risk on futures. This is not the futures market. It's very volatile market right now. Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's right. I had a look on Dogecoin day before yesterday. I think on Saturday, or I think yeah, Saturday. So I thought let it go to 11 cent. Then my limit order was there, and I got that position on 11 somewhere around there. I bought here. So yeah, see the 1 day candle frame. If it will go to 15 cent or maybe 20 cent, then my amount will be double. So kind of double. So free. So yeah, yeah. Even that it never happened in the history of the financial markets. When gold moves, BTC moves, it happens always. But the stock market falls down. When the stock market moves up, BTC and gold falls down. That was happening like I have seen in my life. But the last year, gold and stocks are moving up, and BTC is just coming down, which is like very, very like I have never seen that in the previous years. If you can do a little bit back research, so it never happened. Pepe, we can check. We can just have a look, but we cannot judge what's going on. Pepe, well, 1 day. Let's see, 1 month. It's not even on the lower side of its price, but you see, right now it's there. This is one month candle. So s- good time for spot buying. You can, but don't go all in. Just take if you want to take a chance, just buy with small amount. And if it goes up, okay, good. But may if it will fall down, so you can buy that again. So yeah, yeah, Ethereum and BTC is going sideways. Same. BTC is just dominating the market right now. So BTC dominance is I think 60%. So for Dogecoin, no, I just bought on spot. I just opened Doge like two yesterday and today. I have few positions. Let me show you my transaction history. So this is the pair. Actually, I have just mistakenly River. It hit my stop loss $50. $17 was Dogecoin. I opened the long position, but I just closed it earlier. That's $72, and I have just made today on Dogecoin. Same. I'm showing you now. Now every position is Dogecoin. $58 today. Yeah. $44. Yeah, today. No, yesterday. 63 $36 and $180 as well. So see, that's today's positions. And that was on 31st of December, 31st of January, $41. Dodge, $20. So yeah, I took mostly Dodge positions. So yeah, things went well for Dodge. But now I have just bought uh, some for non-Dodge short. For now I think you let the US market get open. So you need to I suggest you to wait. I am not opening any position right now. I wanted to open the long position, but I think 2 hours from now the US market will open. Let it cool down for 1 hour. After opening 1 hour, then you can decide you can open the long or short. But right now it's a good price for opening the long position. That's my suggestion. But be very careful here. Soul is also a very good price. Uh, but I have not bought that. I am planning to buy with like $1,500 maybe or $2,000 for a long period. But if it will fall down below 100 again today, so yes, I will take a chance on Sol as well. Right now, I think we cannot wait for 2 hours. I just want to open a position. Pepe is very if after 2 hours the market will go up, then everything maybe will go up, but we don't have a good hope from the market. Maybe the market will fall down. The gold and silver, what just happened with that? There was so much stress of sellers like in 2 days. Well, the markets are closed, but in open market, there was a big stress in the market of selling the gold and silver in last three days. XRP, see, actually, everything is moving along BTC. If BTC will go up, XRP, because BTC dominating the market right now. So, um, which one actually? I'm not opening any position right now. I want to open a position on Dodge. I have just took, I have just bought a few Dodge coins on spot buying. Yeah. So I must say, from 2 hours from now, you need to wait, let the market settle down, let the US market will open, and then we can have a look where the market will drive the move of BTC as well. See the golden, but I think as far as I understand, the gold can fall down a little bit more. That's what I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but so I just took a position actually earlier. That position, sweet. Oh, I just took the short position on Sui actually. I forgot that. Going negative for now. Yeah, it will come to that price for sure. River. Yeah, river. I think river will go up. I have not seen the river again. Just going up. See, movement of river is very. BTC will show us the move after 2 hours. You will see the movement. That's the river going up. I think the river has shifted the momentum to see the 15-minute candle frame. 1 hour. That's 1 hour candle frame. What do you think? The river will go up, or maybe we can take a chance. That's a 1 day candle frame. My liquidity at 40. River, so you have not closed your position. You have not set the. My SL was hit. You again open the short position. Oh, okay, okay. But what liquidity is at 40 if you closed it? Mm-hmm. 5 minute, 15 minute. I think momentum is shifted for the river. See the volatility, brother. That's very dangerous. Very dangerous move. That's 1 day candle. It went up and just started falling down, then going back up again, just like the same day yesterday before, a day before, otherwise yesterday, yeah, just like yesterday. It's the same candle, just in the making. So it seems like maybe the movement has been shifted to bullish. Like, same. I will show you another pair. Uh, where is that? There's, truth. See, truth. Truth is just moving up. Up, 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 and the momentum is bullish, totally bullish. That's 1 hour, that's 15 minute, that's 5 minute candle frame. So taking chance long will be a good option in this kind of coin, but from a little bit on the lower side. So be very safe in these kind of coins, which has like very big volatility. Silver is also going up, back up again. Gold is also moving up. That's the move of gold. 5 minute candle frame. So I just missed dodge actually. See, I just did a little bit hurry to close the position of dodge. H bar. Where is H bar? I have just mentioned that one. My position is stuck in H bar. Totally bullish. But don't take any position right now. I strongly suggest you guys don't take a chance. Just wait 2 hours from now. 2 hours from now, the US market will open. Then let the market settle down. It will take like almost 30 minutes to 1 hour after opening the US market. Then you guys should take the position. Uh, that's why I'm not in the favor of opening any position right now. I'm scared right now. So if you're scared, just stay away from the market. That's 126, 12. The weekend effect of on the gold and the silver will surely you will see the effect after opening the US market. The BTC will also I know I understand the BTC will move down a little bit. That's what I think. Okay. Uh, this kind of pair can be a good. to make money. It was the time to went back up, just fall down. Mm. Thing seems pretty nice. The market has shifted the momentum, uh, but be very careful, guys. Be very careful. Strongly not recommended to open any position for long term for intraday trade or for swing trade. Just be safe. If you want to do short term scalping, yes, you can take a chance, but be very careful. It's very volatile. The market will show you volatility in 2 hours from now. So that can be very risky and very scary. So be very careful. Be very careful. 78, 39, 30. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I am going to take a chance on sats. Actually, there is not much movement in this one, but we can limit our order. 1, 2, 5. That's very far from. Let me check BTC. That's the move of BTC. 7, 8. Seems like a drop is coming on the way. But we will see. H13 ARK log stock ARKM 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour candle frame, 1 8. I just want to get some position, but I'm PYTH. Actually, we have already discussed, no? PYTH. Let me check PYTH. Uh, so not much volume in this one. A very low volume coin, but at a very good price, I must say. If you want to buy right now, yes, you can buy on spot. See, it started falling from 55 cents to what's price right now? 0.05. Very, very good price. And if you are already holding that where it's today, I must say it's near to its lowest price. So as soon as the bull run will come, these kind of coins will blow up in the sky. Okay, on the other end, ONDO on the USDT, same movement. BTC is driving these kind of coins right now. I understand what just happened. Okay, that's 1 hour, 1 day. Let's see 1 week candle. These are 1 week candles. So it's just near to its lowest price. The price when it was launched on January 24, 2 years back from now. So see, these kind of coins, if you guys invest on spot buying, they will give you a very good profit, but you need to wait for a few months, maybe few years sometimes. It happened with me in 2017. So that's what I am just talking about. You see, it's right now it's 28 cents and it went to up to $2. So yeah, you're welcome. That's what I understand. Uh, if you're already holding it and it's in negative and you have holding that coin in spot, So be very careful. It's all right. On in spot, you get stuck for some time, but they will touch back to these prices again for sure. As soon as the bull run will be there, all season is there, then you will get your money back for sure. That what happened with me. It took me 3 years to come to break even, uh, but I was in spot, so I was. You should have some holding power. So if you can hold, then yes, maybe it can go down a little bit because BTC is at $78,000. Yes, it can go down. These kind of coin can go down, but it's already on the lower side of their prices, so you don't need to worry about these kind of coins. Just check the project if the exchange is not delisting them, but just check everything on the other hand. Yeah, BCH was the other pair. Uh, what is wrong? Okay, one day falling down. Okay, see the move of BCH. One day is this is a move of one day, so not affecting much. When is 10 October? Here is 10 October. Just fall down from 600 to 462. Hello, brother. Welcome back again. How are you? Okay, again at this price. Oh, great. I hope you enjoy that voucher. How much amount of the voucher you just got? But you just um how can you use it for maximum? I don't know. You can just check. You can just check. I have never used that one before. $100, okay. Just I think when you redeem that voucher, they will show you the pairs and then you can just select 100%. Maybe then you can use or check the leverage as well. There are a few limitations on the voucher. Uh, I think so. I think so. Yes. Just check the pair when you select only 10x. Okay, okay, good enough. 10x is good enough if you can. But when you redeem that, that will be valid for 24 hours. So let the trade be open or just when you think you need to close that. Uh, okay, great. When you open a position, and I think that's the voucher you can utilize just for once. When you close that position, the voucher will be gone. So just keep it open and just analyze the market and check the pairs first. Then yes, you can take a chance to open the position, long or short, whatever you want to do. That's what I think. Okay, make some money if you can make, but no, you are welcome. It's an honor for me. If you make $1 from out of it, so I'm happy for that. So at least you're getting something. So you don't need to add your dollars. Okay, sorry, I just missed one message. Um, nature. Oh, okay, sorry. What indicators? For scalping, I preferably using RSI to check the value of RSI and try to grab the momentum. These two basic things I'm just going to follow. RSI, I have set the value of RSI to 5. You see, that's the 5. And if it go when if I want to open the long position, RSI value should be below 20. If RSI value is below 20, sometimes 15, so then I take the long position. Most of the time it goes well. But just have a look on the momentum as well. So keep an eye on the momentum. So that's what I always suggest. So yeah, you're welcome. If you guys have not registered with the exchange, get yourself registered. The link is in my bio. So you guys will be awarded 50 free USDT upon registration. So yeah, it's a free voucher you can utilize to perform one futures trade, and the money on top of the voucher you can withdraw in your account as well, or you can retrade with that amount as well. So enjoy free voucher, uh, but the amount of voucher you cannot withdraw that. But yes, you can make money on top of the vouchers that you can use your future trading or any trading or spot trading, anything you want. It's a great opportunity. Click on the link in my bio. There's a link of my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel, as well as if you want to get yourself registered with this trade, this exchange, yes, you can click on the link and get yourself registered with that. So it's a great opportunity. Avail that free opportunity. Sweet coin. Thanks. You're going to. Okay. No, no, I'm not trading. I have just already opened this position. Uh, I just followed the RSI, but it's not going well. I want to show you. I just wanted to grab another position on Dodge, but I was unable to get that. Uh, okay. I can tell you one thing, but not getting the trade right now. You see the momentum. Let's talk about 5 minute momentum. I can tell you how you can catch the momentum. Let's do a little bit back test from here. Okay, these are the big candles. Uh, no, let it go. These are not happening for the much time. Okay, for example, these are the red candles just falling down. Then there's a wick in this red candle. You see this candle. And the next candle was in green, and the very next candle was also in green. So how you decide the momentum shift? When this candle, the middle candle, and the right and left candle. The right and left candles wicks are not below the wick of this candle, the middle candle. Then that means the momentum is shifting. If the next candle is green, if on the other hand, but that's for that specific period of time. Let's do that on 1 hour time frame. So that's how I can easily guide you. Okay, that's 1 hour time frame. The momentum shift. How can we just get to know? These red candles, this red candle, the very next candle is the green candle. That's 1 hour time frame. That's for long-term trades. And the next candle again is in the green candle. The bottom of this green candle and the bottom of this red candle should be above this green candle. That means that the momentum is shifting. On the other end, let me show you if we get that option again on other end. Uh, Here we can see again the red candle, and the green candle. The momentum shift, if the candle is red and the next candle is green, that's a sign of shifting the momentum, but it's not 100% right sometimes. Very next candle can be red, very next candle can be red. Uh, if For the bullish momentum, if this candle is green, for the 100% confirmation, if this candle is green and the left candle is red and the right candle is green, then you can take a chance to opening the long position. In this kind of and see for now you will ask like, here is the red candle, here is the red candle, this is the green candle. That's not the confirmation. Why it's not the confirmation? Because it's not giving us the confirmation that the market will move up. Why? Because the middle candle is red. Yes, we can take a chance of getting the opportunity of understanding when we get the short. Not confirmed. But when you get the 100% confirmation, if you see there is no this kind of pattern in these kind of candles, that's the confirmation. There is no this kind of pattern confirmation here. See, when the fall is there, it's not confirmed. It's not confirmed. You take the position in the very next candle. See, if you talk about, okay, this is the red candle, this is the red candle, but this is the green candle. The red candle is not the momentum shift. This should be green in the uh, yes, yes. That's very, very easy to understand. I just got to know after like a lot of time, spending a lot of time and learning from the internet and few influencers as well. So how we grab the momentum. So that's the confirmation. That's very easy to understand. This red candle, you say, okay, the momentum is also shifted from here, but no, that's what's not the confirmation. We are not going to take the trade. If we want to do like a long-term trade or for, yeah. So this is the confirmation. This is the exact confirmation. The red candle, the green candle means momentum shift. The very next candle is green candle. We are not taking the trade in these 3 hours. We're taking the trade in very next hour. Okay, if we take the trade from here, let's assume we are taking the trade on top of this candle. Okay, the next candle was in green, but the momentum already shifted. It will go up, and it went up to that price. So this happens when the market has low volatility. If there is a big volatility, the Trump is going to say something, then we cannot, like, this is the thing, we just cannot control on that. 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, yes, you get the 1 minute time frame, any time frame ever, but it will go up, it will shift like in very like few minutes. So on 1 minute time frame, it's not, it happens. See, that's the red candle, the green candle, the very next candle is green, momentum is shifted and you can take the open. But I don't suggest you to take the if you want to do scalping, momentum shift would be a good option if you use 5 minutes, okay, but the 15 minutes is good enough. For the 15 minutes, you can take a chance to get the confirmation. So yeah, that's the good option. Okay, let's talk about this one. Here what just happened. That was the green candle, and the very next candle was the red candle. Red candle and the top of this candle. At top of this candle, the side candles are below the even the body of this candle. So that's the momentum shift. We take the position in the very next candle, not in these three candles. So that was the momentum shift confirmation. So yeah, and see, that's not the confirmation. We will not take the trade because the market went up, but the middle candle was red. So that's not the 100% confirmation. You can take a chance, but it's not recommended. Uh, yes, green candle is bullish. If the middle candle, if you want to see the bullish momentum, so let me show you the bullish momentum here. Here, where can we just get the 100? Okay, for example, this is the move. This is the move. The red candle, the market was falling down from here, for example, falling from here. Then this candle was in green, the middle candle. The bottom of this candle, see the bottom is here, and the bottom of the right candle and the left candle is above the bottom of this one, as well as the moment. Why the momentum is bullish, momentum shifted to bullish, because the next candle was green, the middle candle was green, the next candle was green. We could have take the long position in the very next candle, like three candles from there, then on the fourth candle you can take a chance. uh yeah, this one. And see, but the market, but that's because that is 15-minute time frame, so that means that for specific period of time you need to just take the chance. You can take even bigger leverages in these kind of confirmations, but that's just it. It's not always 100% right, but most of the time this works very well. On the other hand, let's talk about this one, the momentum shift. Okay, the green candle was there, the green candle, a big green candle was there, and the very next candle was the top of this candle, the red candle, in sell position. Yeah, let me tell you the sell position, this one. The market went up on the green candle. That's the 15-minute time. Let me just make it a little bit thicker so you guys can have a better look. You guys can ask me if okay. So this was the candle, green candle, and the very next candle was in red, but the top of the red candle was higher than the top of the green candle, and the very next candle was also red. So top of the red next candle was also in red. Okay, so that was a confirmation. You can take a chance to open the short position. See, the market shifted and the momentum shifted, and you just got that chance to open the short position. Same like that, the market was green. The candle was green, but the next candle was red. So That's not the confirmation. That's not the confirmation. You can just leave it. Maybe the market will go up, market will go down, but the green candle is not the confirmation of taking the short position from here. So, but see, the candles was there. That's not the 100% confirmation. Okay, let's move on a little bit more. Now that if you talk about this candle, for example, this is the candle, see it fall down a little bit, then the next candle was green. That's not the confirmation. This candle should be green, then we can take a chance to open the long position. It went up, but that was not 100% confirmation. We should just leave it. Uh, yeah, of course, it's a volatile market. Market can be shifted anywhere. If some big order blocks are there, and some whale are just putting the money anywhere. So you just can the market can move against that. So in crypto, in forex, in gold, like anything which is related to this, you can just judge the moment. That's the moment. Okay, the buyers are in, the sellers are in. So this is the thing actually. That's why it's not always 100% confirmed. Nobody will give you 100% confirmation. So same like that. That's the red candle, but the next candle was green. Yeah, you can take a chance, but not the 100% confirmation. So just leave it for now. So, so I'm telling you for the 100% confirmation candle, yes, you can take a chance because if I would be there, I could take a chance because this green candle, because the wicks of this middle candle was also the sign, okay, the body was very short, so that means the market will go. But that's for the next level of the traders. Even I don't trade that kind of candles sometimes. So just like that for Dodge, this is Dodge. This is just moving up. There is no confirmation of momentum shift right now. So it's already going up. So in the moving candles, try to avoid taking trades into a trade in 15-minute time frame. How long should it? Uh, it is suggested. To take the like for example, if you are opening the position in 15-minute time frame candle frame, so just take 1 to 2 candles, like 15 to 30 minutes, just close that trade in between time frame. Try to or on the other hand, if you want to assume like okay, the market will move up, so just have a look on the market. For example, now BTC is dominating the market and the coin is moving not according to the market, according to the BTC, but still moving somewhere around the BTC move. So yes, you can have a look on BTC movement. Maybe if the BTC will move up, then this coin will. Then you just drag your stop loss behind that. So it works well sometimes. So that's what I do. What I do sometimes. If for example, like let's say I have just took the position here, and the market is going up, then what I will do is I will put my stop loss at my break even where I just took the position. So it's good for you to that's the way at least you protect yourself. If the big fall is there, okay, maybe. So if the market was going to shift the momentum, shift from bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish, whatever. So at least you are safe. If it hits your stop loss, at least that is still in positive. So what you need to do is you need to just wait once for you can grab the other movement again. So see, that's the 100% confirmation, but not 100%, but very good confirmation. This candle in the very next candle was red, red, red. If this candle you took the position in this candle, for example, then you can drag your stop loss along with that, and when it's coming back to that, it will hit your stop loss, but still you will get some profit. So that's how you try to catch the momentum. That's what I have learned, that's what I have told you guys. It's very easy to understand. It's not very like rocket science. It's easy. So if red candle, no wick, for example, let's assume, where is no wick? You mean the body is complete, there's no wick on top of that or bottom of that? I don't understand your question actually. Okay. just like this candle, this one, or on this one. But this has the wick, and this has no wick on top or this. Okay, but this is the confirmation. See, uh, its body, even the top of this candle, the body of this candle is also below the body of even the body of this candle, this candle, this the momentum shift candle, and the wick or the body should be below the top of this candle. See, from this candle. That's a sign. Okay, let's do a little bit backtest on few more candles. So you guys, I wish you can. For example, if we see this, no, top and bottom, top of these two candles are same at the same price. Okay. Uh, Momentum shift on this candle. For example, this candle. Let's assume these three candles. The green candles were there. We were expecting the market will go up. But the very next candle, it went up, then started falling down again. It went down there, then closed here. It opened here, went up there, went down there, then closed here, then the next candle opening here, just on the bottom of there. Then it went back up and went down. You can take a chance in the very next candle, take a chance. But the candle was in green, the market can go up. It went up then, but still it just falling down. See, very next candles are falling down. That's the confirmation. This top candle is the confirmation. Let's talk about green candle. Let's talk about green candle. Okay. For example, this very like few like 2 hours back almost. The red candle, the red candle, the red candle, the green candle. The green candle. This is the green candle. That's a very small body, but very next candle was also in green. So you took the chance to open the short long position, but move your stop loss along with that. It fall down a little bit, but still it's going up. So at least you will get a chance to close your position in positive. So it if top if top red candle no wick, like it's totally fine, wick or top. If for example, let me show you. I understand what are you talking about. You mean to say this kind of top? There is no wick on that, but okay, I understand. Let me just check where the momentum is shifting. Momentum is shifted here, but no confirmation. Momentum is shifted here. You need to wait. Momentum is shifted here. No, you need to wait. Mm, let's see, the overall momentum is bullish. So when let me check on the 1 hour time frame, there will be a confirmation. Mm, not even here. I just want to see that candle, like for example this. No, we cannot judge the moment. I just want to get the exact candle you're talking about. For example, but this is not a good example. This should not be a good example. I just want to get that candle. um okay, let's assume this one. For example, this is the red candle, but there is no body, no wick on top of that. uh yeah. uh Let's assume this candle, this that's not confirmation for the short position. That this is not the confirmation. You should avoid that. uh because this was the green candle, so taking chance can be a good, but the market can shift on the upside as well, so that could be very risky. But the BTC was taking everything down, so you don't need to worry about that. So for example, uh this is the candle, and this green candle's top wick should be below the body of this candle, body or the wick, the top wick. What is the wick? Do you have the idea of like what is the wick, like uh, the bottom or top of the wick? If you have that idea, that would be very easy to understand. Hello, Hamza brother, how are you? Good. Like no, no, yeah, like pin. No, okay, let me just brief you about the candle. Okay. Uh, let's see this green candle. When this candle closes, this candle closes in green. Green means this is the top. The candle closes here, just the top body over here, and this candle starts from here. This candle starts from here, went down there in that specific minute of time. When it That's opening position, that's closing position. This candle went down there and went up to there, and this candle closes over there. That's the green candle. So wick is just the total movement of that candle. But this candle opened here, opened from this position and closed over here. But it closed on the other side, on the upside, so that's it's green. Let's come to next candle. For example, this candle was red, means this candle was green, the next candle was red. Why? It closed here. It closed on the bottom side. It went up to there and it went up to there, but it closed here. So very next candle, see green, it opened here, went up to there, then up to this mark and closed here. So opening and closing candles can be like, you need to understand this is the candle opening position, this is the candle opening position. Uh, oh, okay, I will check, brother. Let me just explain one thing. So that's the thing actually. This is the total movement of the candle, but the candle was opened here and closed here. Went up, market goes down to there, went up, goes up to there, then this candle closed here. The 15-minute closed here. Then the next 15-minute has started. So 15 minutes started from here, it went up to there, then it goes down to there, then the 15-minute closed here. So that's the thing actually. I hope I would be able to. I'm not a good teacher actually. I cannot uh, teach properly, but I hope I would have give you a little bit understanding of the candle. So that's the thing. So hold on, let's check. What are you talking about? Oh, oh wow. What a move, brother. What was that? So do you have did you open any position in the bulla? These kind of volatile coins can just kick you out from the market. Good for you. Just stay safe, brother. See the volatility. What a volatility. They are just coins to make some people rich. But the people who, okay, you just bought some. Okay. Rami's brother, you did not understand. Okay. Should I explain it again? If you want me to, then I can. Yes, I would love to explain it again. But let me just charge my brother. Volatility. See the volatility. It's on the lowest price. Maybe, maybe it will go up, but you are taking very big risks. I suggest you to be safe. Taking risk can be a good option sometimes, but not 100 always. So be safe, be careful in these kind of coins. Let me just move my screen here. Ramesh brother, if you don't understand, I will send you another thing. You have sent me already message, so I will send you the brief detail of candles. No problem. I'm here. I will guide you. about the candlesticks. Okay. Mm, okay. It's going up. Let it go. Market is not in favor today. I just don't want to take a chance. I hope you guys don't mind. I will not open any position. This is the position I'm already stuck in. I just want to close this, but okay. 15-minute candle frame. Okay, let me tell you. Uh, if you are watching, Rami's brother, if you're watching, then I can just tell you. Uh, brother, 'maybe. Let's check it again. 15 minute, 1 hour. At what price did you buy? Like 0.0 what? What is your buying order? Zero point 0.025 PR5 and how much cents it should be, like 153. Okay, let me check, brother. So you can check the entry price, like at the price 0.015, 0.1617. How much? You can just tell me. Still, you're in a profit or you're in loss in that trade? Hello, how are you? Thank you so much. Days, yesterday was good. Today was overall good, but yeah, not bad. But I'm still unable to get any position today. 0.1, 0.017. So you are in positive right now. So be careful. Move your stop loss if you want to do scalping on this one. Be very careful. Very volatile coins. See the movement. It's very dangerous. Very risky. Uh, be very careful. Be very careful. BTC short. Uh, let the US market be open 1 hour from now. So then we can decide from where we can take the long or short position. But you know the gold is retracing back. Gold, silver is retracing back. BTC is also retracing back, which can be a good sign. But uh, where after 1 hour we can decide if the BTC will go up or go down. Because the effect of weekend will be there in the market, in the US market, and the US market will drag the crypto anywhere. So maybe it will go up, but as per my experience, my understanding, market will fall down. That's what I understand. That's my opinion. But do your own research always. Uh, be very careful. So you think, yeah, so you think it will not cross that resistance, maybe. Yes, that's what I understand. As far as I think, maybe uh, the effect of like gold and silver will be there in the market 1 hour from now. So be very careful. If you're not opening any positions, just it's good for you. Be safe and just check the volatility. So what I was into, CBTC is just going back. So I just want to, okay, I will show you my day was not bad, but not that good. That's my transaction history. $52 negative, $17 negative, 72 positive, 58 positive. So 44, that was yesterday. Okay. So yesterday I was just having a look. So I just took like two, three trades, 60, 36, $180 on Dogecoin. These all positions are of Dogecoin. So this 52 is River, but all of other my positions are Dogecoins. So yeah, and that's 31. What is, yeah, day before that. So if BTC will cross below $70,000, then BTC will surely go to $50,000 in like few weeks, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, maybe maximum. Then nobody can stop BTC to fall down. Support 72,000 support should be uh, very, very major support. And if it's crossing down, then but my understanding says maybe it will go down to that side because the gold and silver are already on the higher side of their prices, which cannot be a good sign. But the dip from last 2 3 days, it wiped out a big amount from the market, trillions of dollars from the market. So yeah, and do not redeem it. Sorry. Uh, Sorry, I don't understand what are you writing. Sets sets can be 15 minute. So I prefer not to take any position today. It's better to avoid the market because the effect of the gold dip will have an aftershock 1 hour from now. So what I did, I just bought Dogecoin on my other exchange. Let me show you. I just bought Dogecoin. See, yesterday. Let me show. These are the coins I just bought. So this is my entry price, which is like on the higher side, but I used like 1,500 somewhere dollars. So right now it's negative $100. Like it was like 1,580 or $90 at this price. So that's the Dogecoin I just bought yesterday. You can just have a look. Sol is also a good option. XRP can be a good option. Top 10 coins you can just have a look, but don't go all in. Uh, if you want to buy, just take a chance with small amount, or but just for spot buying. Spot buying, it's the right time. Not the 100% right time, but it's a good time to buy spot. Maybe if the BTC will retrace from here and goes back up to 100K mark, then these coin can give you like double of your amount. And if it goes wrong, maybe then you will get stuck. Then you can buy that again, but later on. I just bought that Dodge. That's what I did. But you do your own research. Don't, yeah. Sol and XRP is good. Yes, you can take a chance. But I suggest you to wait for 1 hour at least from now. So LFG. What is LFG? I think I have. Sol is also good. Yes, LFG. It's not there. Sol is very good price. It's at very good price. Once it went to $98 today, and you know where was it? Yes, it went to like $95, 95, 91. Peep, peep, peep. Yes, good. But these meme coins, yes, if you want to get into that, yes, just invest small amounts on spot. But be very careful. Maybe if the BTC will fall down to below to $70,000, then BTC will take all of them a little bit more down. So that's why I'm just asking you guys to keep your USDT safe in your wallets, and just take if you want to buy, just I just took like how much is the percentage? It is my 5% of my capital. Yeah, not using much. I will buy again if the Dodge will Sol will fall below 90 dollars. Then I will buy a Sol maybe. Yeah, future is very risky. It's very risky, you're right. But it's giving you good money. So, well, on my other exchange, I have opened the long position of one coin. So I have a good hope it will go some up, somewhere up someday. So I had a backup, so it will maybe multiply my amount like 100 times, not 100 times, but maybe 20, 30, 40 times. So yeah, futures is risky. Futures is fun, but yeah, very risky. Be very safe. Okay, so this is 1 hour. Soul gained a good pullback. Soul went to 95, but that was actually a wick. So this wick. Okay, I think uh, we are unable to make some good profit today once again. So let's close the session right now. It's been more than I think almost 3 hours from now. So uh, I will share you the result of my sweet trade. I have just opened already short position. I am not in favor of opening the short position, but I just did because I followed the momentum. But you guys need to be very safe and yes, yes, please, don't do it right now. Just wait for 1 hour. Maybe it will go up, but maybe more chances for BTC to fall down. That's what I do. Dot is also a good option for spot. Dot. So I think every coin is in a very good price right now for spot buying. So uh, dot, what is it right now? Dot is 1 point something. Dot went to 1.4. It's 1.5 right now. These coin can give you multiply here, but what we need to do is we need to wait, of course. But BTC is not at a good price. I think we should wait. Just don't go all in. Just if you want to buy, then take a chance. I took a chance. I suggest you guys to do your own research first. Then yes, if you think, then you can take a chance, but be very careful. BTC, BTC, BTC. Here is BTC. Mm, see 1 hour movement. BTC is just trying to retrace from here. And that's a 15-minute time frame. But that could be a sign of a big fall. Um, but 1 hour from now, when the US market will open, after opening 30 minutes, you have to just observe the market, where the market will go. If the market is going down, then you need to wait. If it's going up, then you can take a chance if it to buy some spot. So yes. Okay. More in spot after 1 week. Sol is good project. XRP is also. I can suggest you like top 10 coins, top 15 coins. You can take a chance on most of them. So Pepe is also a good option, but it's a meme coin. Uh, uh, what should I suggest? Truth is also good option. Sol, uh, XRP, Dot, Sui. You can also take a chance. Like three, other than the major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, the other coins you can take a chance. All top 10 coins, yes. Sol is one of the best. Sol and the other XRP is also good project. So these two are majors. Then on the other end, yes, you can have a look on that. But let the BTC settle down to some price. So guys, if you have not followed, if you guys have not created your account on the LL Banks, then you can take a chance to open your account. Uh, Link is in my bio. Yeah, my interval is 1.58. Um, uh, you have put your limit order on these prices. Soul should go below $100. 95, 94 seems like good position to buy. I have not bought Sol. I just uh, bought Dodge, and if Dodge goes to 8 cent, then I will go hopefully all in on Dogecoin. It's kind of meme coin, but yeah, maybe. Okay, you just bought it. Okay, okay. Um, okay, good. Soul should be like below like $100. Okay, 102 is not that bad, but okay, good. Now let's pray may the BTC will go up, then it will give us some good profit. Um, but try not to buy with all of your capital. Oh, okay, good. So try to use like small amount. I think I have told you already like what happened with me like in 2017. So I had to wait like 3 years long to come to my break even at that time. So yeah, good time for spot buying. It's like on the door, but it's knocking the door. That's what I think. Wish you best of luck for your spot buying and for quick money for futures. If you want to take a chance on futures, then buy any top coin take a long position with like 5% of your capital with 10x leverage and just let it go. And remaining, put all of your remaining amount in your liquidity. Then someday they if that coin will blow up, then you will be rich. So that's possible. I took the position of long. Let me tell you. Let me show you my other account. See, this is the coin. I took the position of this coin. I just took a chance to open the position. It's right now. It's there. There is no liquidity. See, there is no liquidity. So means I have bigger portfolio. So I just took the chance with just $65. So maybe if it will go, it's near. Yes, yes, you should. Below 70, if the BTC will go below 17, then I will buy everything in spot, most of the things in spot. And that would be, and I will open a futures trade also for like, I will just keep it for a long period of time. I would do that. I will do that in front of you guys if I would be able to do that, if God give us a chance to do. But BTC should not go below 70, then a lot of people will be in trouble. So we should be very worried about it. So I think brother, actually, I have a big portfolio, so I just opened with $65. So like if coin goes to zero, still like let me show you. So because the remaining amount is in my backup, so let me show you. If I close this trade, for example, how negative it can go. For example, zero. So how much amount I can lose? For example, 0.0001. So I will lose $900 if it goes to that price, like almost zero. So my amount is bigger than 979. So still I'm in, uh, it will not go to zero, of course. I hope you understand. So that's why it's not showing the liquidity. That's the reason. For example, if you have $100, for example, right now, if you buy any coin on the long position, just long position, not short. If you open the short position, then it will show your liquidity on the upside. Uh, that's the beauty of yeah, leverage. You can take like, for example, let me tell you, either you take the leverage small or you use your margin small. Let's say if you have $100, you open the position with $5 and take the leverage of 10x. That's it. Uh, for example, which coin should I suggest you? For example, take a chance to open Dodge. Assume Dodge right now. You will not see the liquidity at that time. Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, that's how the liquidity works. Either you use small leverage or you use less margin. So, so liquidation will not be there, of course. But if you take more positions, like another position, so that means you're using your that capital. So if both of positions goes wrong, so both of positions will show you liquidity and can liquidate as well. So that's how it works. And what's going on here? This is going up. This is going down. Okay. Hmm. Yes, yes, in cross, of course, in cross. Otherwise, if you set in isolated, then of course it will show you liquidity. But you can take a chance, open the long position in isolated mode, and just add a extra amount in liquidity. That's you can do. But that just assume that if this goes, then you will not add more money. So if it goes wrong, if it get liquidated, let it go instead of putting more money. So for that's for that is a suggestion for isolated margin. And so BTC is just moving sideways right now. Ethereum is also very good, right? Very good price. Silver is also falling down. Gold is also a little bit falling down just 1 hour before the market is going to open. You guys should have to look, keep an eye on the market. One after 1 hour from now, so you will see the movement right after 1 hour from now. You will see the big candles in the market. Everything will go up and down. So 5x leverage, I take if I put 50, $100. That depends upon your margin, like how much, for example, if you have put $100 in your position, in your futures account, and you want to open position with $5 and taking a chance of 5x leverage, suggest you like you can take 10x leverage. Okay, 5x is good. So, okay, yes, you can take a chance, but don't open multiple positions in that time. So, yes, that's how it works. I can open multiple positions because if you see, I have shown you guys if my position goes to zero at least, still I will be losing $900. So I have more than $900 in that account, so I can take a chance to open multiple positions than my liquidation prices. Yes, yes, that's right. Uh, it's right now the positions or take the coin which is already on the lower side of their prices. That's what I suggest you. For example, the coin I just showed you, which is already on the lowest side. Maybe when one day it will go up, maybe yes, it will give me like multiple thousands of dollars in just one trade. I have just opened the position with $65. Maybe if I will get that opportunity to show you, I will show you. But if you have not, if there is no liquidation in your position, then you are safe. If the market will crash down, still you are safe. You will be in negative like maybe for a few months sometimes, but your account will not get liquidated. That's how you can protect yourself. So yes. Let's open the chart of Dodge. It's going up. I just missed it. I just missed it. I am very, very. I should have take this position. I just should have to keep this position. I took the position at 104 and now it's 106. I just closed it in negative $70. Okay. Um, for that, for example, if you see the BTC and the Ethereum, the coins which are like on the higher of their prices, maybe they will show you liquidity, but liquidity will be very far. The strategy is put $100 in your futures account, for example, and if you want to use cross, if you want to use it isolated, then how much amount you want to use, set that amount. Uh, Open the position with $5, for example. If you have put your $100 in that account and use $5 to open a long position and use 5x leverage or maybe 10x leverage. So yeah, for better because these are already on the high. So okay, use 5x leverage and then let it go. It will not give you that big profit because these coins are already on the higher side of their prices. See, Bitcoin is like 78,000 somewhere around there. Ethereum is like through 23,000, $2,300. So these are already on the higher prices. Take a chance of opening the position on any meme coin, like top meme coins, and just let it go. They will give you like maybe 1,000% of your profit. So, but it will take some time, of course. It's not like a overnight thing. Maybe when the market will move back, alt season is there, then you can set, okay, I did that. Yeah, yeah. On the that's what I just told you. On the coins which are already on the grounds, on the lower with very small value. So you will be safe in these kind of coins. Okay, for example, let me tell you one thing. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Yeah, I have got a better idea to show you. Okay, for example, this is the position I have took. Okay, this is the coin. This coin went to, let me show you chart. This is current price 0.00817. Okay, this coin went up. If we see the 1 day time frame, it went to 0.0. You see 0.02961. 0.02961. Okay. If it goes back to that price, what was that day? It was on 5th of January. Okay. Like almost 1 month back from now, like 28, 29 days back from now. 0.02961. And my position size is 65. If I close this position 0.0925661. Sorry, what was the price? Mm, let me show you. 0.02, 0.029. Okay. Let's 0.029. If it goes back to that price again, it will give me this profit, 2,444. See, and just 1 month back it was there, and it went up to like, see, see the move, see the move, see the move, and what was this? There is no previous record. So, for example, if we assume $0.22, 0.22, if it goes back to that price, for example, one day the bull run just came in, and when it goes back to $0.22, it will give me $25,000 if it goes back to that price. You see, if it goes back to this price once again, like maybe it will take some time. Maybe it will take time. What's my margin size is just $65, and that's possible. My position is cross 15x. So yeah, that's how things work. So yeah, so that's what I was just telling you, okay, how it works. No, bro, actually, I have like very big community already. You can I will guide you in anything in DM as well if you want me to help you. I am here. Don't worry. But it's a volatile market. I guide you. I tell you guys it's very volatile market. Yes, of course. No. It just happens, brother. If the exchange is just delisting a coin, for example, any coin, so then there are good chances. So the exchange will tell you that this is the last day of this coin, and we will delist that account. So they will close your position, whatever the price is that. So yeah, just top 10, top 15 coins are good enough. Just for example, let's talk about Dogecoin. Okay, this is the coin. You can take a chance. Favorites, futures, top coins. These are the coins. BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Sol, Silver, no, not Silver. Sui is coin, Dogecoin, Aster. They are top coins. Cardano, ADA, Link. These are good coins. AVAX. So these kind of coins, Pepe, see, these coins are like top coins. So they have bigger volumes. They will go to good prices. Right now, it's a good time. Maybe it will go a little, they will go a little bit more down, but it will be too early to say. So that's what we need. Volume. Brother, I think for scalping, you don't need to have a look on volume. Just you can just have a look on momentum shift. That's it. And check, have a look on RSI. That's it. You don't need to understand the volume movement. If you will get into more things, you will be in a very big, like, you will not be able to take a trade. Okay, the volume is not there, I'm not taking trade, but RSI is in favor, the momentum is in favor, but still you're not taking trade. So I think for scalping, volume doesn't work very well. I have not used volume ever. I follow the RSI mostly. Yes, some people use RSC too. RSC two is like very, very. RSA 5 is also like I'm using RSA 5. See, that's RSA 5. So RSA 5 is also still like very safe. RSA 2 is more safe, of course. How much the best confirmation you could get. So that's the values you can set. That totally depends upon you how much safe trade you want to trade. So RSA 2 is also good, yes, but they will not give you, it will not give you that confirmation very quickly. So that's what I have learned. Okay, if I have 50 example, how much leverage I should put? I cannot exactly 100% confirm you, but 5x leverage or maybe 10x leverage, you can take a chance on small coins. But still, you will be very safe and use the margin. For example, if you have uh, $50, so I suggest you to play with $5, or less than $5. So remaining of the amount you should have kept as a liquidity. So 60-40 RSI band. I don't know, bro. 60-40. 60-40 is the range actually. Maybe they will use that range, the band. But that's very risky range if they are using that range band actually. Yes, 5x is good for long period of time, but just you have opened a position and just let it go. But that's the problem we guys face. Like we just check it again and again and again. Okay, let's our amount is double, let's close the position. So we don't have like that much control on our emotions as well. On I also consider myself in this as well. So yeah. Okay, I think 3 hours. I'm live from last 3 hours. Long time today. Mm, okay. If you guys have any question other than the live session, you guys can write me in the DM as well. I am always here for you guys. I will respond your messages and guide you wherever you stuck, wherever you want to get information. I'm here for margin 5, leverage 3x, 5x, then my limit. Yes, okay. Yes, you can take margin $5 margin, 3x, 5x is good, yeah. I have shown you like my position size. So it will not get liquidated for sure because I have a backup. So yeah. This is actually another thing the people don't understand. I was telling one of my friend, okay, you can if you don't want to trade anymore, just took the position. No, no, I'm not going futures. I'm not doing. I told him, okay, you want to play safe? Play this way. No, 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 no. Let it go. Let it go. I will not play. I will not. And he's like playing only in spot. So okay, that's his decision, his opinion, and we should respect it. So this is one another thing if it goes up, but I just ask him, okay, open just long position. If you open short position, if the price goes up, then maybe. you will get liquidated. But for opening the long position on these kind of position sizes, which are already on the lower side, yes, you are very safe. Until unless the exchange is not doing anything bad or just delisting the coin or anything big is just happening in the world. So, there are big things happening in the world, so anything can be happen anytime. But what we need to do is we need to just why your spot account? Your futures account, just that's it. You need to move your money in your on cross. Your futures account will be utilized. It's not taking your spot account. It never happens. Those both are different wallets actually. So you're using your futures wallet. So the amount of money you have in your futures wallet, that's only you can utilize. Cross is different wallet. Spot is futures is different wallet. Like, but in cross means isolate means you can. Um, I don't know. You have to check by yourself. So you're asking about Visa card or VSA? Yes, okay. Give it a try. I hope it will work well. Even I'm planning to do my spot account of Dodge when it comes to break even, then I will close it and maybe I will do that way. Use like 5x leverage, but use the same amount of margin. On spot, I have used like $1,500, 650, 16, almost $1,600. So yeah, I will use like maybe $100 and just let the trade go. Maybe use less than $100 with the 10x leverage. That's what I will use. So yeah, thank you so much for following. Let's go. If you guys want to create your account on this exchange, the link is in my bio. Get yourself registered and avail 50 free USDT uh, coupon to open one future trade. It's a free money just upon registration. You don't need to do the KYC as well. So, okay. I have never done that. VSA volume spread analysis. No, that's the wrong thing you were doing actually. Uh, see, that's what I'm just telling you. Be very safe. See, the coins are on the grounds right now, the meme coins. Uh, be very safe. Play safe. For example, surely it will go wrong. Market, if the BTC falls down, everything will go down. You will still be at least not getting liquidated because there is no liquidity. So, but if it goes up, then it will multiply your profit. That's the beauty of futures. But only the position right now, like the coins which are on the grounds right now. If these coins are on the higher side, I would definitely not suggest you. I also got liquidated multiple times because the coins were already on the higher side, and nobody tells you like open short position from here, long position from there. I suggest you only opening long positions at least from this kind of market. So yeah, and just let it go. Yes, for people will say, no, no, this guy is crazy. Why he's just telling the people to open long positions and just let it go. If you don't want to do scalping and trading every day, just let it go. Open long position with very small margin with small X leverage, but it will multiply your amount as well for sure. But taking a chance can be a good option. So yeah, take a chance at least. Understand and do this. Uh, yes, if you're risking minimum margin, yes, you can do the cross trade. For isolated, of course, they will give you like liquidity. So on the isolated, you can add the liquidity as well. If you want to add more dollars in your liquidity, you can do that. So BTC is like, yeah, BTC is down, so this is the right time to open these kind of positions and let it go maybe for a few months. I must say, maybe it will take a little bit more time, but good opportunity. Because I understand, like, yes, that's what I tell. That's what I was just telling. This is the right time for getting zero liquidation. Maybe your trade will go wrong. Maybe market will fall down. So people will tell you like you should have opened the short position. But let's assume market is just shifting the momentum anytime, anywhere. Then what will you do? So ultimately you will get liquidated. But on this kind of time frame, the time right now is just good for opening the long position with the way I'm just telling you. It's a good opportunity. That's I have showed you already, like on my phone as well. I have just opened one position already. Maybe it will go down, maybe, but that's my other account, so I will just keep it that way. I am not much worried about that. So be safe, guys. Don't lose your money opening long and short multiple positions. And try not to open multiple positions. If you want to open multiple, then just add more amount as well. So, okay, I think I know top was going to for sure, it's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. When I bought BTC at the price of $88,000 in 2017, the people were just telling me you're crazy. You have bought like BTC at $8,000, and yeah, these are good coins. You can take a chance. So the people were just telling me, "Oh no, you are losing. You will lose all of your money. This will go to zero. This is just a bubble." So the bubble term was very common in the crypto market at the time. So now the BTC went up to like $125,000. So now they're asking like how to do crypto, but time has passed. So just like that, these coins are never gonna. These are big projects now, so they're not losing their values for sure. Until unless nothing big is happening in the world. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Just keep an eye on the market 30 minutes from now. So it's really nice to have conversation with you guys. It's a great honor for me. I will come online again tomorrow at the same time. And but I hope the market will be settled down till then. So we will see how much. I only wonder. Yeah, sure, sure. Give it a chance, sure. But the amount, just invest very small amount. Don't invest the big amount. So good 50, yes. If you can take a chance, yes, give it a chance. Maybe you will get someday. Uh, like any coin other than BTC and Ethereum. Even XRP is also on the higher price. I must say, be like just wait for a while right now. Let it just settle down somewhere. If the BTC will come down, maybe the XRP will also come below $1. Yes, good chances, but we cannot, confirm this thing. It's just a part of it. Okay, so we will be in contact. You guys can write me in DM as well anytime. I would love to respond you guys. And if you have not registered your account, get yourself registered with this exchange, and you will be able to avail 50 free USDT upon registration. It's a great opportunity. Avail that opportunity, and let me know if you guys need any help. I'm there for you guys. So thank you so much for your time. It's been more than 3 hours from now. So, okay, guys, have a great week ahead. I hope we will make some money. I hope you guys will not lose some money. And we will have a discussion tomorrow again. See you guys. Bye bye.